Self-discipline is the foundation of success. It's the ability to control your impulses, emotions, and actions in pursuit of your goals. It's what separates those who achieve greatness from those who merely dream of it. But what exactly is self-discipline? At its core, self-discipline is about making choices that align with your long-term goals, even when it's hard or uncomfortable in the moment. It's about delaying gratification, resisting temptation, and staying focused on what truly matters to you. Self-discipline requires commitment, the willingness to prioritize your goals over short-term pleasures or distractions. It means saying no to immediate gratification in favor of long-term fulfillment. It also requires consistency, the ability to stick to your plan even when motivation wanes or obstacles arise. It's about showing up every day, putting in the work, and trusting the process, no matter how challenging it may be. But perhaps most importantly, self-discipline is about mindset. It's about cultivating a growth mindset, the belief that your abilities are not fixed, but can be developed through effort and perseverance. With a growth mindset, setbacks become opportunities for learning and growth rather than reasons to give up. So, how can you cultivate self-discipline in your own life? Start by setting clear, achievable goals that align with your values and priorities. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks and create a plan to tackle them one step at a time. Next, eliminate distractions and temptations that might derail your progress. Create a conducive environment for success, whether it's setting boundaries with technology, creating a dedicated workspace, or surrounding yourself with supportive people who share your goals. And finally, practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential for maintaining self-discipline. Get enough sleep, eat healthily, exercise regularly, and make time for relaxation and rejuvenation. Remember, self-discipline is not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about showing up for yourself, day in and day out, and striving to be the best version of yourself. With dedication, consistency, and a growth mindset, you can cultivate the self-discipline needed to achieve your wildest dreams. Self-discipline is the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving your goals. By making conscious choices, staying focused, and persevering through challenges, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. So, embrace self-discipline as your superpower, and watch as you transform your life in remarkable ways.